Okay, the horizontal meaning here, it means that is the y-axis, the bottom, the particle that we call the right and left combined. They are both having the padding of 28 for that matter. So there is no need of back. This second button, it has been removed. Only button we have is this one, that is get started, and that is what we have changed. So let's go to see this, follow this link, and after following this link, we open it. Now as it open, now next lesson we are going to start with the sign up. Okay, so here you can see there is no back is one thing next, and you can see there is these controls that we have set to true, so you can use them and you see get started, or you can go previous, you can go next. Then when you get started, you can either click get started, or you can click when you are here. Let me show you something. When you are in the first thing, before you even scroll, you can just click your skip and go to the sign up page, or you can just click here until you get to get started. If you want to go back, you go back, and if you go to next, you go next, and then you get started. You can click here, and then you go to this page now. So next time we shall start creating our account here, and as you can see, I've already started doing name. So when we meet next time, we shall work on this page. So goodbye, and let's meet next time.